Today I will write down the code of conversion from text to voice. Inside the body, I will take the input. Type should be text. In my previous tutorial, I have discussed about the importance of ID, which can connect from JavaScript and HTML. The button, if you want to use the button type, you can. Voice is our JavaScript function. I've created the function. Now come to the code.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
dot space synthesis dot split method. I've done the code and some style part I will added here.
Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you
Now enter some
can make me move. You can make me move.
Hi, I am here. Hi, I am here.